The Black Women's Mental Health Institute has partnered with the Black Belt Community Foundation to host the Black Belt Suicide Awareness and Prevention Health Summit here on the campus of Stillman College. The purpose of this was to bring together the stories of survivors as well as counselors and multiple healthcare organizations together to support a community conversation around suicide, suicide awareness and prevention, as well as anti-stigma awareness.
It is such an important topic to address, especially for this community, this area, black people in general. A lot of times we don't prioritize our mental health until it's too late. And so we want to make sure that people understand that there are resources, that there is support, that they're not alone.
The importance of talking about mental health, and especially within our community, has been taboo for so long. Even as growing up as a child, I had a brother who went to Vietnam and came back, and the first thing everybody said, "Oh my God, he's crazy, he's crazy." He wasn't crazy, you know. He had mental health issues that he really needed help with, but they just labeled him as crazy.
There's a stigma. You know, people have said people are crazy or whatever, but most times they will keep it within their families, even if something happens. But when you educate, then people will know. I don't have to keep this secret. The parents can share and seek out information, and these types of events provide that information that they need.
I believe our Black community, we need that healing, you know, and we need to know that there's resources out there, you know, outside of us being spiritual, which we are, that there are other resources out there that can help us get over that hump, educate us about those type of feelings that we are feeling, whether it's depression, bipolar, suicidal thoughts, you know. So I think this summit is very important for those reasons.
The community efforts from the Black Belt Foundation definitely have helped us.
The Black Belt Community Foundation serves 12 counties throughout the Black Belt region of Alabama, and that region is known for its high rates of health disparities, economic disparities, education disparities, and housing disparities. So to be able to focus and foster mental health conversations for those residents is actually incredibly important because of the lack of access and awareness. To host it at Stillman College, one of the 14 HBCUs in the state of Alabama, is also important to us because we're also looking to foster relationships and partnerships with each HBCU in the state.
We have been very intentional about creating a campus wellness program that serves the students from a holistic perspective of health. And so this aligns very well with the work that we're doing to provide resources, to support, to provide activities, and provide education.
Today's event was more than just a health fair. There were healing conversations that took place. To be able to have this space to connect individuals to resources like the Children's of Alabama's Psychiatric Intake Response Center, as well as First Horizons and the Black Belt Community Foundation, who also had an informational table here. It was really an opportunity to connect residents to resources, support healing and supportive conversations, and really build a collective commitment to fostering our mental and holistic wellness.
It is absolutely okay to seek help.